Question number 1. Which body regulates the banking system in India as per the RBI Act, 1934? Option A, Ministry of Finance. Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Option C, SEBI. Option D, IRDAI. The correct answer is option B, which is Reserve Bank of India. Question number 2. The origin of modern banking in India can be traced to which type of early institutions? Option A, agency house banks. Option B, microfinance groups. Option C, self-help groups. Option D, NBFCs. The correct answer is option A, which is agency house banks. Question number 3. Which bank was formed by merging presidency banks? Option A, State Bank of India. Option B, Imperial Bank of India. Option C, Bank of Baroda. Option D, ICICI Bank. The correct answer is option B, which is Imperial Bank of India. Question number 4. In which year did the Government of India take over the Reserve Bank of India? Option A, 1935. Option B, 1948. Option C, 1949. Option D, 1951. The correct answer is option B, which is 1948. Question number 5. Which is the primary objective of the Reserve Bank of India? Option A, credit rating. Option B, monetary stability. Option C, customer grievance handling. Option D, insurance regulation. The correct answer is option B, which is monetary stability. Question number 6. Which bank category includes old and new generation banks? Option A, foreign banks. Option B, private sector banks. Option C, cooperative banks. Option D, regional rural banks. The correct answer is option B, which is private sector banks. Question number 7. Regional rural banks were established primarily to serve which segment? Option A, urban corporates. Option B, rural agriculture and small borrowers. Option C, foreign trade. Option D, investment banking. The correct answer is option B, which is rural agriculture and small borrowers. Question number 8. Payments banks are allowed to perform which co-function? Option A, give loans. Option B, accept demand deposits up to prescribed limit. Option C, issue credit cards. Option D, conduct foreign exchange trading. The correct answer is option B, which is accept demand deposits up to prescribed limit. Question number 9. Small finance banks primarily target which segment? Option A, high net worth individuals. Option B, corporate borrowers. Option C, small and micro businesses and unserved segments. Option D, government enterprises. The correct answer is option C, which is small and micro businesses and unserved segments. Question number 10. Which institution provides refinance support to agriculture in India? Option A, IRDAI. Option B, SIDBI. Option C, NABARD. Option D, Exim Bank. The correct answer is option C, which is NABARD. Question number 11. Non-banking financial companies, NBFCs, are primarily regulated by which authority? Option A, IRDAI. Option B, SEBI. Option C, RBI. Option D, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The correct answer is option C, which is RBI. Question number 12. Which bank category cannot offer full range of banking services like lending? Option A, regional rural banks. Option B, payment banks. Option C, commercial banks. Option D, cooperative banks. The correct answer is option B, which is payment banks. Question number 13. Which body formulates monetary policy in India? Option A, IRDAI. Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Option C, SEBI. Option D, Ministry of Commerce. The correct answer is option B, which is Reserve Bank of India. Question number 14. Which institution acts as banker to banks and to the government? Option A, State Bank of India. Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Option C, Bank of Baroda. Option D, IDBI. The correct answer is option B, which is Reserve Bank of India. Question number 15. Which power enables RBI to issue directions to banks on matters like CRR, SLR? Option A, Companies Act. Option B, RBI Act and Banking Regulation Act. Option C, SEBI Act. Option D, FEMA. The correct answer is option B, which is RBI Act and Banking Regulation Act. Question number 16. Who grants licenses for setting up banking companies in India? Option A, State Government. Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Option C, SEBI. Option D, Ministry of Finance. The correct answer is option B, which is Reserve Bank of India. Question number 17. SIDBI predominantly supports which sector? Option A, large infrastructure projects. Option B, small and medium enterprises. Option C, retail customers. Option D, insurance companies. The correct answer is option B, which is small and medium enterprises. Question number 18. Which legislation primarily governs the functioning of banking companies in India? Option A, Insurance Act. Option B, Banking Regulation Act, 1949. Option C, Companies Act. Option D, Negotiable Instruments Act. The correct answer is option B, which is Banking Regulation Act, 1949. Question number 19. What is the purpose of requiring bank branches to have RBI approval? Option A, reduce competition. Option B, ensure regulatory oversight and financial stability. Option C, promote advertising. Option D, increase deposits. The correct answer is option B, which is ensure regulatory oversight and financial stability. Question number 20. RBI's authority to supersede a bank's board is derived from which act? Option A, Companies Act. Option B, Banking Regulation Act. Option C, RBI Act. Option D, SEBI Act. The correct answer is option B, which is Banking Regulation Act. Question number 21. Which is not a core function of development banks? Option A, industrial finance and project lending. Option B, providing refinance support. Option C, collecting retail deposits from public. Option D, development of long-term finance. The correct answer is option C, which is collecting retail deposits from public. Question number 22. Exim Bank's main objective is to promote which area? Option A, domestic retail lending. Option B, agricultural credit. Option C, external trade and exports. Option D, microfinance. The correct answer is option C, which is external trade and exports. Question number 23. What was a key objective of bank nationalization in India? Option A, increase foreign ownership. Option B, expand financial inclusion and control credit delivery. Option C, privatize banking. Option D, eliminate cooperative banks. The correct answer is option B, which is expand financial inclusion and control credit delivery. Question number 24. Which regulator oversees payment systems and related regulations in India? Option A, IRDAI. Option B, RBI. Option C, SEBI. Option D, PFRDA. The correct answer is option B, which is RBI. Question number 25. Which act empowers RBI to regulate money market instruments? Option A, Negotiable Instruments Act. Option B, Reserve Bank of India Act. Option C, Companies Act. Option D, FEMA. The correct answer is option B, which is Reserve Bank of India Act. Question number 26. KYC stands for which banking process? Option A, Know Your Customer. Option B, Keep Your Cash. Option C, Know Your Credit. Option D, Keep Your Credit. The correct answer is option A, which is Know Your Customer. Question number 27. Which document is commonly accepted as proof of identity for KYC? Option A, Electricity Bill. Option B, Aadhaar or PAN. Option C, Rent Deed. Option D, Voter Slip only. The correct answer is option B, which is Aadhaar or PAN. Question number 28. An account with no transactions for 2 years is classified as? Option A, frozen. Option B, dormant. Option C, closed. Option D, suspended. The correct answer is option B, which is dormant. Question number 29. A recurring deposit is categorized as which deposit type? Option A, term deposit. Option B, demand deposit. Option C, demand liability. Option D, current deposit. The correct answer is option A, which is term deposit. Question number 30. CBAs in banking refers to? Option A, core banking solution. Option B, central banking server. Option C, customer banking system. Option D, centralized balance sheet. The correct answer is option A, which is core banking solution. Question number 31. A key benefit of CBAs is? Option A, manual ledger entries. Option B, access to account from any branch. Option C, elimination of all cyber risks. Option D, no reconciliation required. The correct answer is option B, which is access to account from any branch. Question number 32. NEFT transactions are settled on what basis? Option A, real-time gross settlement. Option B, deferred net settlement in batches. Option C, immediate settlement for all amounts. Option D, manual clearing. The correct answer is option B, which is deferred net settlement in batches. Question number 33. RTGS is primarily used for? Option A, very small retail transfers. Option B, low-value transactions. Option C, high-value real-time interbank transfers. Option D, cash deposits. The correct answer is option C, which is high-value real-time interbank transfers. Question number 34. Which cyber threat commonly targets bank customers? Option A, inflation. Option B, phishing attacks. Option C, dividend manipulation. Option D, branch closure. The correct answer is option B, which is phishing attacks. Question number 35. Check truncation system, CTS, primarily eliminates what? Option A, physical movement of checks. Option B, microprocessing. Option C, draw signature requirement. Option D, check writing. The correct answer is option A, which is physical movement of checks. Question number 36. Dishonor of check for insufficiency of funds is addressed under which section? Option A, Section 420 IPC. Option B, Section 138 of the NE Act. Option C, Section 72 of RBI Act. Option D, Section 65 Evidence Act. The correct answer is option B, which is Section 138 of the NE Act. Question number 37. In a check transaction, the drawer is the person who? Option A, pays the check. Option B, writes and signs the check. Option C, receives the check amount. Option D, endorses the check. The correct answer is option B, which is writes and signs the check. Question number 38. Liability for a forged check depends primarily on? Option A, RBI instruction only. Option B, negligence of the paying collecting bank and customer. Option C, SEBI rules. Option D, police report only. The correct answer is option B, which is negligence of the paying collecting bank and customer. Question number 39. A cross check indicates payment is to be made through? Option A, cash counter only. Option B, bank clearing system to specified account. Option C, ATM only. Option D, demand draft. The correct answer is option B, which is bank clearing system to specified account. Question number 40. Wrongful dishonor of a check by a bank makes the bank liable to? Option A, criminal prosecution always. Option B, pay compensation to the customer subject to rules. Option C, freeze the customer's account. Option D, report to IRDAI. The correct answer is option B, which is pay compensation to the customer subject to rules. Question number 41. Which documents typically accompany a loan application? Option A, only KYC documents. Option B, income proof, balance sheet and security documents. Option C, checkbook alone. Option D, ATM slip. The correct answer is option B, which is income proof, balance sheet and security documents. Question number 42. Unreconciled entries in bank books should be handled by? Option A, ignoring them. Option B, prompt investigation and reconciliation. Option C, writing them off immediately. Option D, reporting to customers. The correct answer is option B, which is prompt investigation and reconciliation. Question number 43. One advantage of digital banking is? Option A, more branch visits. Option B, reduced cash handling and convenience. Option C, increased paperwork. Option D, slower transactions. The correct answer is option B, which is reduced cash handling and convenience. Question number 44. Who is primarily responsible for information security in a bank? Option A, Chief Financial Officer. Option B, Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. Option C, Branch Manager. Option D, Head Teller. The correct answer is option B, which is Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. Question number 45. Management Information Systems, MIS, in banks assist in? Option A, decor of branches. Option B, data-driven decision-making and reporting. Option C, only marketing communications. Option D, physical ledger maintenance. The correct answer is option B, which is data-driven decision-making and reporting. Question number 46. Business intelligence tools in banks are used for? Option A, predictive analytics and customer insights. Option B, manual posting. Option C, printing checks. Option D, loan approvals only. The correct answer is option A, which is predictive analytics and customer insights. Question number 47. Which crossing on a check offers greater protection to the payee? Option A, general crossing. Option B, account payee crossing. Option C, post-dated crossing. Option D, bearer crossing. The correct answer is option B, which is account payee crossing. Question number 48. FIUN deals with? Option A, consumer complaints. Option B, financial intelligence and suspicious transaction reporting. Option C, bank licensing. Option D, insurance approvals. The correct answer is option B, which is financial intelligence and suspicious transaction reporting. Question number 49. FATCA reporting obligations are related to customers linked to which country? Option A, India. Option B, United States of America. Option C, United Kingdom. Option D, Australia. The correct answer is option B, which is United States of America. Question number 50. Check truncation system helps primarily to reduce? Option A, online fraud. Option B, physical logistics and clearing time for checks. Option C, inflation. Option D, interest rates. The correct answer is option B, which is physical logistics and clearing time for checks. Question number 51. A basic principle of lending by banks is? Option A, profit maximization only. Option B, safety of funds and creditworthiness. Option C, avoiding documentation. Option D, providing unsecured credit always. The correct answer is option B, which is safety of funds and creditworthiness. Question number 52. Hypothecation creates which type of charge? Option A, charge on immovable property. Option B, charge over movable goods without transfer of possession. Option C, transfer of title. Option D, share pledge only. The correct answer is option B, which is charge over movable goods without transfer of possession. Question number 53. Mortgage is a charge created on which asset? Option A, movable goods. Option B, immovable property like land and buildings. Option C, digital assets. Option D, cash deposits. The correct answer is option B, which is immovable property like land and buildings. Question number 54. Pledge as a security requires which of the following? Option A, only a written agreement. Option B, delivery of possession of goods to the lender. Option C, registration only. Option D, court order. The correct answer is option B, which is delivery of possession of goods to the lender. Question number 55. Fund-based bank facilities include which of the following? Option A, letters of credit. Option B, term loans and cash credit. Option C, bank guarantees. Option D, insurance policies. The correct answer is option B, which is term loans and cash credit. Question number 56. Non-fund-based facilities typically include? Option A, fixed deposits. Option B, letters of credit and bank guarantees. Option C, savings accounts. Option D, personal loans. The correct answer is option B, which is letters of credit and bank guarantees. Question number 57. CERSAI is a registry for? Option A, insurance policies. Option B, creation of security interests like mortgage and hypothecation. Option C, customer complaints. Option D, check returns. The correct answer is option B, which is creation of security interests like mortgage and hypothecation. Question number 58. Performing asset is defined as an account where borrower has? Option A, defaulted for more than 90 days. Option B, regular repayment of principal and interest. Option C, never borrowed. Option D, written off the loan. The correct answer is option B, which is regular repayment of principal and interest. Question number 59. According to prudential norms, an account becomes NPA after default of how many days? Option A, 60 days. Option B, 90 days. Option C, 180 days. Option D, 365 days. The correct answer is option B, which is 90 days. Question number 60. Which authority issues provisioning norms for banks in India? Option A, IRDAI. Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Option C, SEBI. Option D, PFRDA. The correct answer is option B, which is Reserve Bank of India. Question number 61. Basel norms primarily address which banking requirement? Option A, audit frequency. Option B, capital adequacy and risk management. Option C, check clearing. Option D, customer service. The correct answer is option B, which is capital adequacy and risk management. Question number 62. Basel III introduced which key requirement? Option A, lower capital ratios. Option B, capital conservation buffer and liquidity coverage ratio. Option C, elimination of capital norms. Option D, removal of risk weights. The The correct answer is option B, which is capital conservation buffer and liquidity coverage ratio. Question number 63. Risk-weighted assets, RWA, are used to compute option A, a net profit. Option B, capital adequacy ratio. Option C, branch expansion limits. Option D, interest rates. The correct answer is option B, which is capital adequacy ratio. Question number 64. Banks prepare financial statements in formats prescribed by option A, Reserve Bank of India guidelines and statutory requirements. Option B, only company internal rules. Option C, IRDAI. Option D, SEBI only. The correct answer is option A, which is Reserve Bank of India guidelines and statutory requirements. Question number 65. Which accounting basis do banks generally follow for financial reporting? Option A, cash basis. Option B, accrual basis. Option C, modified cash basis. Option D, a no standard basis. The correct answer is option B, which is accrual basis. Question number 66. Rebate on bills discounted is recorded as which accounting item? Option A, income. Option B, liability, advance income. Option C, capital reserve. Option D, fixed asset. The correct answer is option B, which is liability, advance income. Question number 67. A high CASA ratio indicates a bank has option A, higher proportion of low-cost current and savings deposits. Option B, high-cost term deposits. Option C, low customer base. Option D, high non-performing assets. The correct answer is option A, which is higher proportion of low-cost current and savings deposits. Question number 68. Current banking stands for option A, customer account ratio. Option B, capital adequacy ratio. Option C, credit allocation requirement. Option D, cash availability ratio. The correct answer is option B, which is capital adequacy ratio. Question number 69. Gross NPA represents option A, total deposits classified as bad. Option B, total advances classified as non-performing before provisions. Option C, net loans after provisions. Option D, investments only. The correct answer is option B, which is total advances classified as non-performing before provisions. Question number 70. Net NPA is calculated as option A, gross NPA minus provisioning for bad and doubtful debts. Option B, total advances. Option C, total assets. Option D, total liabilities. The correct answer is option A, which is gross NPA minus provisioning for bad and doubtful debts. Question number 71. PCR denotes which banking metric? Option A, profit to capital ratio. Option B, provision coverage ratio. Option C, public credit registry. Option D, payment clearance ratio. The correct answer is option B, which is provision coverage ratio. Question number 72. One-time settlement, OTS, is a mechanism to option A, restructure bank branches. Option B, settle NPA accounts at agreed terms. Option C, close customer accounts. Option D, issue new loans. The correct answer is option B, which is settle NPA accounts at agreed terms. Question number 73. ARC in banking stands for? Option A, Asset Reconstruction Company. Option B, Account Recovery Cell. Option C, Annual Risk Committee. Option D, Asset Reporting Center. The correct answer is option A, which is Asset Reconstruction Company. Question number 74. Corporate debt restructuring primarily aims to? Option A, increase loan interest rates. Option B, provide relief to stressed borrowers and improve recoveries. Option C, hide non-performing assets. Option D, liquidate companies. The correct answer is option B, which is provide relief to stressed borrowers and improve recoveries. Question number 75. NPAs primarily impact which of the following bank measures? Option A, website traffic. Option B, capital adequacy and profitability. Option C, ATM network. Option D, number of branches. The correct answer is option B, which is capital adequacy and profitability. Question number 76. Insurance contracts are primarily based on which principle? Option A, guarantee. Option B, indemnity and utmost good faith. Option C, estoppel. Option D, quantum meruit. The correct answer is option B, which is indemnity and utmost good faith. Question number 77. Which principle requires the insured to disclose all material facts to the insurer? Option A, indemnity. Option B, utmost good faith. Option C, contribution. Option D, subrogation. The correct answer is option B, which is utmost good faith. Question number 78. Life insurance is primarily designed to provide which benefit? Option A, compensation for property loss. Option B, financial support to dependents in event of death. Option C, coverage for vehicle damage. Option D, health insurance payouts. The correct answer is option B, which is financial support to dependents in event of death. Question number 79. IRDAI was constituted under which Act? Option A, Insurance Act, 1938. Option B, IRA Act, 1999. Option C, Companies Act, 1956. Option D, Banking Regulation Act, 1949. The correct answer is option B, which is IRDA Act, 1999. Question number 80. Solvency margin for insurers ensures what? Option A, maximum profit distribution. Option B, sufficient capital to meet liabilities. Option C, minimum premium rates. Option D, faster claims settlement. The correct answer is option B, which is sufficient capital to meet liabilities. Question number 81. Term insurance policy primarily provides which feature? Option A, savings and investment. Option B, pure risk cover providing death benefit only. Option C, guaranteed annual returns. Option D, health cover. The correct answer is option B, which is pure risk cover providing death benefit only. Question number 82. Whole life insurance provides coverage for? Option A, a fixed term of 10 years. Option B, the insured person's entire life. Option C, only retirement period. Option D, only during employment tenure. The correct answer is option B, which is the insured person's entire life. Question number 83. An endowment policy pays benefits on which events? Option A, death only. Option B, maturity or death of the insured. Option C, hospitalization only. Option D, accidental disability only. The correct answer is option B, which is maturity or death of the insured. Question number 84. A ULIP policy combines insurance with? Option A, banking services. Option B, investment in market-linked funds. Option C, loan facility. Option D, pension only. The correct answer is option B, which is investment in market-linked funds. Question number 85. Premium rates for life insurance are influenced mainly by? Option A, insurer's branch network. Option B, insured's age, health and risk profile. Option C, marketing spend. Option D, agent commission rates. The correct answer is option B, which is insured's age, health and risk profile. Question number 86. Nomination in an insurance policy primarily determines? Option A, who manages the company. Option B, person who receives policy proceeds on claim. Option C, agent commission. Option D, tax liability. The correct answer is option B, which is person who receives policy proceeds on claim. Question number 87. Assignment of a policy results in transfer of? Option A, nomination rights only. Option B, insurance rights under the policy to another person. Option C, their powers. Option D, agent appointment. The correct answer is option B, which is insured's rights under the policy to another person. Question number 88. General insurance differs from life insurance because it is generally based on? Option A, benefit-based payouts. Option B, indemnity principle compensating loss. Option C, investment returns. Option D, long-term savings. The correct answer is option B, which is indemnity principle compensating loss. Question number 89. Motor insurance is mandated by which legislation in India? Option A, Insurance Act. Option B, Motor Vehicles Act. Option C, IRDAI Act. Option D, Companies Act. The correct answer is option B, which is Motor Vehicles Act. Question number 90. Fire insurance primarily covers losses to? Option A, life and health. Option B, property and assets due to fire perils. Option C, loan defaults. Option D, market risks. The correct answer is option B, which is property and assets due to fire perils. Question number 91. Health insurance typically covers which major expense? Option A, outpatient doctor visits only. Option B, inpatient hospitalization and related costs. Option C, vehicle repairs. Option D, education expenses. The correct answer is option B, which is inpatient hospitalization and related costs. Question number 92. TPA in health insurance stands for? Option A, third-party administrator. Option B, total premium account. Option C, tax planning agent. Option D, treatment payment agency. The correct answer is option A, which is third-party administrator. Question number 93. Surveyors and loss assessors in insurance handle which function? Option A, policy sales. Option B, assessment of claims and loss quantification. Option C, issuing of policies. Option D, reinsurance treaties. The correct answer is option B, which is assessment of claims and loss quantification. Question number 94. Insurance Ombudsman provides redressal for? Option A, corporate governance issues. Option B, policyholder grievances and claim disputes. Option C, investment advice. Option D, tax disputes. The correct answer is option B, which is policyholder grievances and claim disputes. Question number 95. An insurance broker typically acts on behalf of? Option A, insurer exclusively. Option B, the customer insured in placing insurance. Option C, IRDAI. Option D, banking regulator. The correct answer is option B, which is the customer insured in placing insurance. Question number 96. Reinsurance is primarily used by insurers to? Option A, avoid compliance. Option B, share and transfer risk to reinsurers. Option C, increase premiums arbitrarily. Option D, hire more agents. The correct answer is option B, which is share and transfer risk to reinsurers. Question number 97. Coinsurance arrangement involves? Option A, single insurer covering full risk. Option B, multiple insurers sharing risk on same policy. Option C, only reinsurers. Option D, government only. The correct answer is option B, which is multiple insurers sharing risk on same policy. Question number 98. AML compliance in insurance aims to prevent? Option A, unsolicited marketing. Option B, money laundering and terrorist financing through insurance products. Option C, higher premiums. Option D, delayed claims. The correct answer is option B, which is money laundering and terrorist financing through insurance products. Question number 99. Product filing norms with IRDAI include which approaches? Option A, no filing required. Option B, file and use or use and file processes depending on product. Option C, only prior approval for all products. Option D, only post-launch reporting. The correct answer is option B, which is file and use or use and file processes depending on product. Question number 100. A company secretary in an insurance company primarily supports which area? Option A, selling policies. Option B, corporate governance, compliance and regulatory filings. Option C, surveying losses. Option D, underwriting risks. The correct answer is option B, which is corporate governance, compliance and regulatory filings.